Okay, what do you got there, Jet?
So bad guys don't get Sarah.
We're taking Sarah for a walk.
Yeah. So bad guys, if other dogs text Sarah like giant daddy dogs or like mommy dogs or like big fat dogs,
And what are you going to do?
shoot them.
Jackson, no you're not.
I am.
No, that's only pretend.
What do you say?
All right.
This is a pretend gun.
Oh, okay, so only for pretend.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's nothing coming out. This makes a noise.
Right, okay. Okay. Good job, buddy. Love you. Thanks for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed the little clip. We're just trying to show you that kids are smarter than you think. They realize reality from pretend. All right, even at 3 years old. So I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. Bubba's sharing gardening tips and home fix-it tips around the world. Please join us. If you like the videos, please turn on your notifications, hit the like button, and please join us. We have over 500 videos and climbing with 40,000, nearly 40,000 subscribers now in climbing. So please join us. Thank you very much.